Hello and welcome back. In this particular video, we're going to talk about how to hide your WP-admin login page. Now, why would you want to do this? Well, if you think about why people hack or how people hack, a lot of times they're using bots to go to your WP-admin login page. So here's what I mean by that. If you go to www.yourdomain.com/WP-admin, that's the page that we are talking about. So you have to go to that specific URL to log in to your WordPress administrator dashboard. So if you have automated bots that are going to that particular page, and then of course they are trying to guess what your password might be, then that's a problem, right? And not only that, they may not guess it, but the fact that they're hammering your website over and over and over again, that's not a good thing. So it could be using your bandwidth, and they could potentially do what we call a DDoS attack and take down your website if they really wanted to. Now, because most of these systems are bots and they're not really a live human being, a good way to get around this is to change the WP-admin. So instead of having WP-admin, you could have anything that you want. So we don't recommend that you use your name, your website name, or anything like that, because those are common usernames that these bots will try to hack. So in essence, what we can do, let's say we have a blog about scuba diving. So we can say something like scuba diving, something like that. And that's it. It's as simple as that. So now what we need to do is get a plugin that does that. There are many different plugins that can do this, but in one particular, WPS Hide Login, it's free. You don't have to invest any money. You can do it with this. This is a really good plugin to use. So as you can see, if we click on screenshots and scroll down, looks like this is in a different language, but in essence, all you have to do is simply click on the settings and then enter what you want it to be. So in this case, it's login, but we don't want that. You want to enter whatever is right here. So if we go back to our WordPress administrator dashboard, right here, it's WPS hide login. So type in WPS hide login, and that's it. So go ahead and activate that, install it, choose your folder, and that's all you have to do. So now the bots will not know where your login page is, and you don't have to worry about it going to your WP-admin. And it's as simple as that.